Next, we want to learn how to withdraw our trial cash. How to withdraw trial cash from Palmpay. Now, on the home page, you select trial cash. Now, you earn the trial cash. Like you can see, I have 4,600 trial cash, which I've earned so far, which is gotten from different ways. There are rules to this. Now, the rules are very simple. So, for those of you who don't know, Cashbox Trial Cash is a distinct reward designed to let you explore the benefit of flexible saving with Cashbox. It's a virtual saving sum. Now, you earn daily interest on your trial cash at an impressive rate of 16%. Now, the interest is real and is credited into your Cashbox account every day around 5:30 in the morning. It is yours. Now, you can earn trial cash by completing tasks from 12 a.m. on September, of 12 a.m. the first day to 12 a.m. the second day. Now, if you want to earn a lot of money on trial cash, which is 200,000, you can complete daily basic tax on Palmpay. Now, when you transfer money to your Palmpay account, you get up to 50,000 trial cash on your first 3 transfers above 1,000 naira daily. The higher the single transaction amount, the higher the trial cash reward. You can add money from your bank agent to get up to 50,000 trial cash. So the higher the single transaction amount, the higher your trial cash reward. You can get 200 naira trial cash daily by simply visiting the Palmpay homepage at least once a day. Now, you can also get more through the advanced tax, where you click on the button on the trial cash page and you complete the tax there. Then, when you return on spend and save, you can get 2,000 trial cash once. Return on cash but also save, you get 2,000 trial cash also once. You top up your airtime above 2,000, you get 1,000 trial cash. Buy airtime bundle above 500, you get 1,000 trial cash once a day. You fund your sporty betting wallet, you get to above 2,000, you still get 2,000 trial cash. Now, once you do that, you have to claim your trial cash. You have to claim it on the trial cash usage history. You claim your trial cash. Now, once you've done all this and you want to withdraw, what do? But before then, you must know that there are some conditions you must meet. For example, you're not eligible if you fail to provide all the information from like your NIN and your BVN, if you have been blacklisted previously in any of the reward incentive program, if you found that they carry out any act of sabotage, if you participate in any activity to robot, if you fail to perform your obligation under the terms of use on Palmpay app, if you're in breach or suspected of breach of relevant laws and regulations of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, they will reserve the rights of explanation. So that is it. Now, once you've gotten all this, how do you withdraw the money? Now, this is my interest for yesterday's trial cash, which is 1 naira 60 kobo here. Now, you must note something. You exploit Palmpay savings with trial cash. The principal, which is that amount is written on it, is not withdrawable. But your interest end of it is withdrawable because it gets sent to your cash box, which adds to your money, and that is withdrawable. So that is how to withdraw your trial cash. Not the amount of money that shows here, 4,600 that you can withdraw. No, it is the interest on it that is added to your cash box that you can withdraw.